Crispy KFC-Style Stuffed Chicken Sliders. Preparation time: 1 hour. Cooking time: 30 minutes. Serves: 4-6. Ingredients: 4 the chicken, 6 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup buttermilk, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon dried thyme, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, vegetable oil for frying. For the stuffing, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, a ½ cup diced bell peppers, red, yellow, or green, a ¼ cup finely chopped red onion, a ¼ cup chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper to taste. For the slider assembly, slider buns, lettuce leaves, sliced tomatoes, mayonnaise or your preferred sauce. Instructions: prepare thickened, placide chicken breasts between plastic wrap, and gently pound them to an even thickness of about ½ inch. Cut each breast into 2 equal pieces. In a bowl, mix the buttermilk with a pinch of salt and pepper. Place the chicken pieces in the buttermilk mixture, ensuring they are fully coated. Let them marinate for at least 30 minutes. Prepare the stuffing in a separate bowl. Combine the shredded cheddar cheese, diced bell peppers, chopped red onion, cilantro, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Mix well to create the stuffing mixture. Assemble the stuffed chicken, takia, piece of marinated chicken, and place a spoonful of the stuffing mixture in the center. Carefully fold the chicken over the stuffing, securing the edges by pressing firmly. Repeat with all the chicken pieces. Coating and frying a shallow dish. Blend together the all-purpose flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme, dried oregano, salt, and black pepper. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Take each stuffed chicken piece and coat it thoroughly in the seasoned flour mixture, ensuring an even coating. Carefully place the coated chicken in the hot oil and fry for about 4-5 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Ensure the oil temperature stays around 350 F175 C for crispy chicken. Slider assembly. Toast slider buns lightly. Spread mayonnaise or your preferred sauce on the bottom bun. Place a leaf of lettuce and a slice of tomato on top of the sauce. Put the fried stuffed chicken on the tomato slice. Top it off with the top half of the slider bun. Serve. Arrange the prepared sliders on a serving platter. You can secure them with toothpicks if needed. Serve hot with your favorite side dishes or dipping sauces. Tips: experiment with different cheese varieties for the stuffing, such as pepper jack or mozzarella, to add varied flavors. You can bake the stuffed chicken in the oven for a healthier option. Preheat the oven to 375 F190 C and bake for about 25-30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through.